Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a tour of the Mirage King Room with the Volcano view. Walk into the room, you have a king bed, a little stand with a light, drawers, bottles of water, and a mini fridge. But there is a CVS close by, so I'd recommend going there. Prices in the room are a little high. Ice bucket, glasses, flat screen TV, nice desk for doing some work, and a real nice feature is they have audio video inputs that you can watch your laptop on the TV screen, which is a very nice feature. Plus power outlets right at the desk, phone, and the view. We're on the 17th floor. The view from up here, you can see the wheel, you can see the Venetian and the Palazzo, and the Volcano at night will be right out front. And there's the dome of the Mirage. We've also got a nice big oversized sitting chair in the room. Nightstand with light, another telephone beside the bed, king size bed, nice picture up above the bed, picture on the wall, and you got an alarm clock and radio. And when you first walk in the room, there's a big mirror on the wall, and there's also a closet. And for the bathroom, nice wood vanity, single sink, light up mirror on the wall, and also a makeup mirror. And in the bathroom, you got a shower tub combination. That's going to conclude the tour of the Mirage Volcano View Room. This is going to be one of the last days before they are no longer an MGM property and are going to be converted into a Hard Rock hotel sometime in the future. Currently, this is the middle of September 2022. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.